When you're selling your home, it might feel like everything's wrapped up once you've accepted the offer, but if the buyer's using a loan, there's still one important step left that can make or break the deal: the appraisal. Now, if the buyer is paying cash, there's usually no appraisal at all. But if they're borrowing money, the bank's going to want to make sure the home is worth what the buyer's asking to borrow. So, what's an appraisal? Well, it's when the buyer's lender hires a licensed appraiser to come out, take a look at the home, figure out what its value is based off of recent nearby sales, not based on what you think it's worth or what your neighbor got last year or even what Zillow says, but what similar homes have actually sold for lately. The appraiser isn't there to inspect the plumbing or test the outlets. That's the home inspector's job. And it's not the same as a CMA your broker used to price the home. It's also not the current market value, which can change depending on, buyer's demand. This is all about what the bank is comfortable loaning on that property. Now, here's how it works. After mutual acceptance, the lender orders the appraisal. The appraiser schedules a quick walkthrough, takes some photos, notes the home's features and upgrades, and then compares it to those recent sales nearby. They write up a report, and then the bank uses that to decide how much they'll lend. Now, if the appraisal comes in low, meaning the home is valued for less than the purchase price, well, there's a few ways it can go. The buyer might come up with the difference in cash. You might renegotiate the price, or in some cases, the deal can fall apart. Now, if the appraisal comes in high, well, that's great news. Everybody's happy, and the deal keeps moving forward. So how can you help make sure it goes smoothly? Clean the house, make sure everything's accessible and working, and provide a list of upgrades you've done. Bottom line, the appraisal isn't about personal taste. It's about protecting the lender. But when your home is priced right, looks great, and is backed by the right market data, you're already in a strong position. And if anything unexpected pops up, well, that's where having a knowledgeable local broker can make all the difference. Thanks for watching.